So thanks to everybody because you people gave me the courage to come here for second time.
Yeah.
Woo! I'm an Indian guy, and a guy like me, like who is old, it's very difficult to get married. And when I was in university, I was taking coffee, and then my friend came. Oh man, your hairs are turning gray. You should get married soon now. Otherwise, there will be no time. And then I started opening my button of the shirt. And then when I was about to open my pant, he was, oh man, what are you doing here? And I told you are late to suggest this man. Everything is already white now. What should I do? So this poem actually describes that feeling that romance is not for young people, no? As you grow old, you become more romantic. So, but most of the romantic people are unmarried actually. So here is the two poem I have. Baby, as you grow old, I love your wrinkles. As you come close, I love your dimple. Seeing your smile every morning, I feel we can still make it hot in this coming winter. As you hold me, it ignites my spindle. As you twiddle with me, I love our tangle. You are the reason I don't want to die single. With you, I love to dwindle. And my second poem is, oh bumblebee, I'm not on the tree. Just come to me and make me horny. I'm not in my 20s, not in the 30s too, but the dream is to be someone's queen bee. The desire is still like the first night. The fire is still like a storm in the sky. But the dream is to be someone's queen bee. Just come to me and make me horny. Thanks.